Kiara. Where are you? There you are.
They're so big, I don't know what to do with them all. This is Kiara's birthday, her first birthday. You want to say anything to Grandma?
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever. So
Well, there's Kiara on her third birthday. You can make a cute little smile for us. Boy, she's without a doubt every parent's dream. Constantly tidying around the house. If there's any dishes unwashed, she insists on doing them herself.
Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Oh, when you put it in here, it's changed colors.
Show me how you trick or treat.
You say trick or treat, happy Halloween.
And what do you get?
You will grow up.
What's the best thing about Halloween?
The pumpkins. Everybody had pumpkins. Rain is falling down on Mr. Turkey.
What's his name?
Rain is falling down on Mr. Turkey.
Keep shaking. Keep shaking them. You want to help Dad? You gotta work. Hold on to that with both hands. Hold on tight. You know, hop. Forward. Go that way.
She's bound to try, isn't she? Nothing deters her.
Keep chasing it right in there till it's home. So if it stops in the puddle, you kick one more kick and
Yeah,
it'll go.
Kiara, you tell us about your game right now. You look over here and you tell me about the game. Look over here.
I got one goal, okay? Bye, and I'm all muddy. It's the worst, muddiest game I've ever had.
Really?
Goodbye.
Kiara.
Okay, I had fun.
Kick it! Oh, goal, Kiara! Another one. You did great, Kiara. Are you proud of your little goal?
What did you do, Kiara? Tell us what you did.
And frozen hands. I got a goal.
No, look here.
Hands I got from the other girl.
You did good, Kiara.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the biting, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Welcome to Kiara's Book Report Show. And the book I read is The Curse of the Raven's Court. Hi, I'm Kiara. I chose to make puppets from the Littles book. And this is the little boy. This is the little girl. We had a great plan to get on the cruise ship. And this is what it is.
Go!
No matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch me if you
Kiara Green.
liking for you
Kiara, doing it
is
right there.
all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
This is so crazy. Welcome to my graduation vlog. The day is here. It's currently June 7th, 2020, and I'm about to finish my undergraduate degree. I have one more assignment. I finished it this morning. I'm about to submit it. It's 11:46 right now. The YouTube graduation ceremony is in 15 minutes, so I want to go watch that because I may or may not be a part of it. So I want to like try to see it. Also, it's got Beyonce and Michelle Obama and Barack and a bunch of really cool artists. I'm graduating from the University of Oregon, and we're having a virtual graduation graduation this year. We are allowed to walk next year, so hopefully I do get the opportunity to still do that and go and my friends go, but if not, or whatever happens, I'm gonna document every second of this graduation and what I have now, because if I've learned anything through this entire pandemic experience, it's me realizing how grateful I am to have filmed my past 4 years of college here. I am so grateful for everything that I've had, and I'm literally getting emotional already, so this is great. Yeah, this video is gonna be a little bit of this, a little bit of that, get some popcorn, come along for the ride. It's gonna take you down memory lane. I hope it does, and I hope we can all celebrate together and make the most out of this. Here we are reading assignment 9. It's gonna be weird to not be on Canvas for a while. All right, here we go. Is it working? Oh my God, this is stressing me out. I did it, done June 7th at 11:48 a.m. We're done with school for now. All right, I posted on Instagram. I'm gonna go to the garage and watch this with my family. If I find myself in this graduation video, I'm gonna try to get a clip of it because I just think that'd be a fun memory. I actually don't officially virtually graduate, just to clarify, until the 20th of June. That's why, you know, I'm not watching my legit virtual graduation. This is just the YouTube one, which they asked me to maybe be a part of, so I'm hoping that I make it.
This is a huge day for all of you. We couldn't be more excited to be celebrating with you today. It's very exciting.
Yes, Margot! This could be me. I could be in this part. I've been waiting for 4 hours. Oh my God, there I am! I'm so blurry.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has
My shrine. Happy graduation day, everyone. My graduation starts in approximately 1 minute. My parents are getting breakfast. I'm gonna attempt to watch this ceremony that's supposed to be live streamed for us. It's also raining. We were supposed to be outside, but that didn't happen. Here we go, let's graduate.
You've done something special.
We are the class that will never be forgotten. It's easy to get caught up in the story of who we are or what others perceive us to be. But what I have come to learn is that we really are in charge of our own future.
Graduates, please now move your tassels from your right to your left.
This green screen action.
Lawn behind the law school, right next to Global Scholars Hall.
That's where I lived.
It may look nice right now, but about an hour and a half into the ceremony, you would be so hot and sweaty, no amount of program fanning would do. When graduating, you've got to get a picture in your robes in front of the sign. Hope you're ready. Go ahead and wait.
I just fast forward to my name. Yeah. All right, now I just wait.
It's gonna be soon.
Oh, yes, it could be any second. That's me. Thanks.
Yay! Did you get it? We can do it again.
Wait, shoot.
Kiara Green.
Yay!
Isn't that funny that I'm graduating on YouTube? Like, watching a YouTube video of my graduation.
I want to see Taylor and I want to see
L.
Yeah, I want to see all the people I know.
That's my friend Kaylee. Lizzie. We love Lizzie.
L.
Yay,
Oh, that's a
Chloe.
good
Emily.
The team won! Yay! That's it. Well, you had a short class. Woo! Congratulations.
There we go.
I
Okay.
thought it was gonna be like that YouTube thing.
That's because my major is hard.
After the flashlight.
Yeah, we watched a 4-hour YouTube graduation and about a 10-minute mine. My lovely friend Emma Romano sent me a package for graduation, and I told her I was waiting to the day of to open it. So Emma, this is for you. Thank you for my gift. You did not have to get me a gift. That was really sweet. Go subscribe to Emma and her channel. I'm gonna leave it linked. The packaging is very nice. It says, so very proud. Kiara, I'm so proud of you and all of your accomplishments so far. It feels like it was just watching your college reveal video yesterday. I love you so much, and I'm forever your biggest fan. Love, Emma. There's a lot of stuff in here.
She's a beignet girl.
Cute. Let the adventure begin. Little
Not
mug. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so cute.
That's really cute.
That's so cute. Little succulent hanger. That's
really?
gonna go in the
That's
new
a nice
apartment.
gift. Oh, I know what it
Big.
is.
What is it? Oh my god. Oh, it's a picture picture of Keegan and Emma and I. That is so cute.
Whoa, that's really good. Let's try it.
Emma. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Oh my god, what? They say Eugene and they have like all the different locations, like the little Eugene map on them.
Wow, you think she ordered them over here?
Yeah! Oh my god, Emma! Thank you! We're doing some unboxings. We got some really nice cards. Family I nanny for. They all wrote their favorite memories. It's so cute. And now we're opening a gift from Miss Leah Krennic. Beautiful Leah Krennic packaging. Whoa, she really wrote a, oh my gosh, she wrote a novel. Our kids and our husbands will also be best friends. Oh my god, I've literally always wanted this. The Platter and Boards book. For the next stage of my life, the adulting stage. It's perfect, it's beautiful. Thanks, Leah. Didi is saying I should film these. Didi got me all of my favorite nerdy medical books. Yay.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I love reading my medical books. Thanks, Mom. Talents. We have a suture practice kit. Ooh.
Wow.
Thanks, Father. That's exciting. Thank you.
Like we had any doubt.
I FaceTimed my aunt and uncle and they gave me a lovely gift. They gave me brand new skis, which I'm really excited about. Honestly, the best part of the gift is how much effort they went through to get to buy my bindings. They like did some sleuth work. You see this? This does look like me. It even has my name. Mom, you can talk. My mom doesn't like to be on camera. This is Doug's handwriting. He always does the curly cues. He also writes in all caps, another signature Doug move. Smartphone, smart car, just really, really smart. That's pretty funny. Life is not as confusing as many people make it. Congratulations, you've got it. Love, Dad. Brilliant job, grad. Congrats. Go Ducks. All right, do I have to open this big box?
Yeah, yep.
And I think you can rip it, right?
Knife or anything, or you got it?
I got it.
Do you have any idea what it is? You got any guesses?
I have literally no idea. Oh my. It's my American Girl doll on the surfboard. Ooh, a paddleboard. Oh my god, that's so exciting. Thank you. Okay, wait, I have something for you. I wrote my parents an emotional thank you card last night, so I have to give it to them. Okay, this is for you peoples.
Oh, thanks very much. You're welcome. Dear Padres, as I write to you on the eve of my graduation, I can't help but think of all the times you helped me so I could achieve my dreams of being a college grad. From guiding me through the application process that was so overwhelming, to helping me decorate 3 different homes away from home, you guys set me up to have the most successful 4 years of my life. Thank you for believing in me when I felt like giving up. Thank you for allowing me to ski my heart out and support me finding the sisterhood of friends who became my family. Thank you for the care packages, silly texts, long drives, and unconditional advice. Most of all, thank you for being the most loving parents for the past 22 years. The skills and confidence you instilled in me from the second I stepped into school have allowed me to conquer challenges I would have deemed impossible. I will always be a leader instead of a follower, and I hope I will continue to make you guys proud as a thank you for everything you've done for me. Love, Kiara. Kiara, thank you.
I've arrived at Miss Katie Mack's house. I have been dying to see one of my friends all day, and I cannot wait to tell her that we graduated. Congrats.
Mom, can you hold her vlog camera for her?
Yes, I will vlog.
Okay, Mom vlog.
Okay. Kiara Green.
I'm the vlog dog. Dog with the vlog. Like, subscribe. My shoe, not my foot. Don't hurt her. She's a graduate. We're graduates. I'm blowing out Katie's candles and I'm making a graduation wish. One for me and one for Miss Katie Mack. I gotta think deeply about this. I mean, I kind of know the direction we're headed here. Okay, wish complete. Starting to get ready for move-in day.
My sophomore year,
Up to my floor.
broken heart, you were my biggest fear, and then
this is huge.
but all the right things to say, still finding reasons to stay with you. Gave you a call because I needed a ride, and never thought I'd be with you in your passenger side, and now
guess what Katie and I are doing? We have to leave at 5:50. How's it feel? You don't understand. You look like a real Hawaiian goddess. What do we do without Doug? Don't know. Guys, I've never done this before. Oh, that tile bathroom. Thank you so much. We're dipshits. It wasn't filming. That was the last time. Well, look where we are with the family. Kiara dropped her flip-flop off of the balcony and now can't find it. Oh my god, are you so excited? Welcome. Hello, it's a whole squad of everyone. How is she today? Because I have bell pepper. Look where we are! All the kind of I don't mind if you stay all the time. I'll never let go.
And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this.
You just look a little pale, okay?
I'll follow you, yeah.
How's the game so far? We're winning. Peace out, my name. Thank you very much.
Could you come a little closer now? Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind.
Okay, bye.
I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this.
Look at me, sweet pie. Look at the camera and say bye-bye. Little kiss. Ta-da!